Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
The annihilator operator is a differential operator that kills specific functions. Think of it as a machine that returns 0 when applied correctly. Use d to denote d/dx and d squared for second-order derivatives. For a polynomial of degree n, use d to the power n plus 1 as its annihilator. For e to the 2x, use d minus 2 raised to the needed multiplicity as the annihilator. For sin 3x or cos 3x, use d squared plus 9 as the annihilator. Multiply annihilators when terms are summed to annihilate the whole right side. Find each simple annihilator first, and then multiply them together. Increase multiplicity when terms match homogeneous solutions or repeated roots. For polynomial times e to the 2x, raise d minus 2 by 1 plus the polynomial degree. For instance, for e to the 2x times a degree 2 polynomial, use d minus 2 cubed as the annihilator. Apply the combined operator to convert the non-homogeneous equation into homogeneous form. Apply the combined annihilator to both sides to get a homogeneous differential equation. Solve this larger homogeneous equation using characteristic polynomials and standard methods. Extract the particular solution by matching terms removed by the annihilator and reducing order accordingly. Check multiplicity and reduce order if the annihilator shares roots with the homogeneous operator. Finally, combine the particular solution with the homogeneous general solution and verify by direct substitution into the.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.